Okay, in this video we are going to tackle a topic that some of you might be contemplating about deleting your channel. So yeah, first of all, visit YouTube, tap on your logo and click on manage to Google account. After that you will be redirected to this page, and now we have to select data and privacy. So scroll down and you need to find delete. Okay, delete your channel. So you can see here delete Google service. Okay, hit your password. So let me hit my password. So after that you need to tap on YouTube and you need to click on delete option. Okay, after that you need to select both items and need to select delete. So now copy your email address and paste here. So yeah, the paste only works here. So just tap on it. So as you can see here, updating. So your channel will be deleted in 24 hours if you have more than 100 contents. Otherwise it will take some hours to delete.